Hello, and welcome back to English Station, where you learn English through amazing true stories. Today, we will dive into the life of one of the greatest actors of our time, Leonardo DiCaprio, a boy who grew up in tough neighborhoods and dreamed big, who faced rejection after rejection, but never gave up. As you listen, you'll improve your listening skills, learn new vocabulary, and get inspired by a real-life story of success. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's episode of Learn English Through Story. Are you ready? Part 1. Humble Beginnings. Leonardo Wilhelm DiCaprio was born on November 11th, 1974, in Los Angeles, California. His parents, George and Ermeline, separated when he was just a baby. Leonardo grew up mostly with his mother. They lived in a small house and life was not always easy. His neighborhood was tough. There was crime, poverty, and danger all around. But little Leo had a dream. He wanted to be an actor. When he was a child, he would often perform in front of his family, making funny faces and telling jokes. He loved to make people laugh. His mother noticed his talent and encouraged him to follow his dream. Part 2. The Early Struggles. Leonardo started acting in TV commercials when he was very young. He advertised products like bubblegum and toys. But getting real roles was hard. Many casting agents told him no. They said he was too rough-looking. Some even suggested he change his name to something more American. But Leonardo refused. He was proud of his name and his roots. Despite rejection, he didn't give up. He kept auditioning day after day, and slowly opportunities started to come. In the early 1990s, Leonardo landed roles in TV shows like Growing Pains. People began to notice him. He was young, energetic, and very talented. Part 3. Breakthrough with Gilbert Grape. In 1993, Leonardo got a life-changing role. He played a boy with a mental disability in the film What's Eating Gilbert Grape, starring alongside Johnny Depp. His performance was incredible. He was only 19 years old, but he acted like a seasoned professional. He even received an Oscar nomination for Best Supporting Actor. Suddenly, everyone in Hollywood was talking about Leonardo DiCaprio. He was no longer just another young actor. He was a rising star. Part 4. Titanic, the global superstar. In 1997, Leonardo took a role that would change his life forever. Jack Dawson in Titanic, directed by James Cameron. At first, he wasn't sure about the movie. He thought it was just a simple love story, but he trusted the director, and it was the right decision. Titanic became one of the biggest films in history. It won 11 Oscars and made Leonardo a global icon. Teenagers all over the world put posters of him on their walls. Leonardo's life would never be the same again. But fame also had a dark side. Paparazzi followed him everywhere. Rumors about his personal life filled newspapers. It was overwhelming. Part 5. Choosing Art Over Fame. After Titanic, Leonardo had a choice: stay a heartthrob forever or grow as a serious actor. He chose the harder path. He worked with great directors like Martin Scorsese, Steven Spielberg, and Christopher Nolan. Movies like The Aviator, Catch Me If You Can, Gangs of New York, and Inception showed the world his incredible range. He took on complex, difficult roles that challenged him and showed his deep commitment to his craft. Leonardo wasn't just a handsome face anymore. He was one of the greatest actors of his generation. Part 6. The Long Wait for an Oscar. Even though Leonardo gave amazing performances, He kept losing at the Oscars. Fans joked about it. Memes were made. Year after year, he was nominated but never won. Still, Leonardo never complained. He kept working hard and improving his skills. Finally, in 2016, after many years of waiting, he won his first Oscar for his role in The Revenant. It was a historic moment. The audience stood up and cheered. Millions of fans around the world celebrated his victory. Leonardo smiled and gave a powerful speech about protecting the environment. Part 7, Beyond Acting, the Activist. Leonardo is not just an actor, he is also a passionate environmentalist. He has his own foundation, the Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation, which works to protect nature and fight climate change. He travels the world, meeting with world leaders and scientists. He produces documentaries to raise awareness. He uses his fame to speak for those who cannot speak, the animals, the forests, and the oceans. He once said, "Climate change is real. It is happening right now. It is the most urgent threat facing our entire species." Leonardo shows that true success is not only about awards and fame, it is about making the world a better place. From a small boy in a poor neighborhood to one of the most respected actors and activists in the world, Leonardo DiCaprio's journey is truly inspiring. Teaches us an important lesson. Never give up on your dreams, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. Even when the world says no, keep working hard and believing in yourself. True success isn't just about achieving fame or fortune. It's about using your success to help others and make the world a better place. Most importantly, always stay true to who you are, no matter how high you rise. Leonardo's journey reminds us that perseverance, kindness, and authenticity are the real keys to greatness. Thank you for listening to today's story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, English Station, turn on notifications for more inspiring stories, and remember, Miles, you can achieve greatness too. Until next time, keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep shining. See you next time.